Hi, welcome back to my shop. Well, today I feel like doing a little lathe turning. It's been a long time since I used my lathe, and I'm excited to do it. I just had the itch to do it, so let's get to it. Let's get started. This is just kind of a random little thing I'm just gonna make. I'm not really sure, I just want to do some turning, so let's do it. Okay, this piece is 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. It's pine, which is probably not the greatest thing in the world for turning, but I think it's good for kind of a practice piece. It's been a while since I've turned. I'm out of touch, so I need just to practice a little bit. So pine is good. So hopefully you can see that mark there. Both ends are marked. So now we take it over to the lathe and get a center. Okay, we're over here at my lathe. Now what I'm gonna have to do is take the center mark and put the center on each of these pins on each end, on the head end and on the tail end. Just get right in the center. What I do is I take a hammer, just tap it on, lock it down with this right here. I spin it forward. Use this, spins it forward. Lock that in place. All right. Okay, then after that, I just like to turn it on briefly. I'm not going to turn yet, just turn on briefly to see how well it's balanced on here. That should work. If you do have a lathe, don't do what I did. And then I've neglected my lathe such a long time, there's rust on my tools. Don't do that. Now what I mean by that is just use your tools, your lathes and your other woodworking tools more often. This one's just been kind of put in the corner and I haven't used many for a while. And but now I'm into it again, so I want to get into it, so let's do it. So you can definitely tell when I'm turning the areas it's round now and the areas it's not. So just kind of pay attention as my gouge goes across there. You hear how much this chatters. That's not round yet, it's not over here. But in the center it is round, it's not smoother. this point, I'm just making some chips. I really don't know what I'm gonna make out of this yet. I guess I'm just gonna get around. Normally I'd use hardwoods to make something good because you see how rough this is? This is very, very rough because it's pine. It's not the best for turning, in my opinion. I normally would want to use hardwood, but for practice, it's pretty good. I'll use it.